You're living out your dream, you're getting out to where you want to go, you're in the middle of nowhere, which I'm not. I'm in a yoga ashram in New York State, having the ass glue from work scrubbed off my behind by doing yoga. But you're out in the middle of nowhere, and what if you get stuck? What if your car gets stuck and you're alone and help is far away, you're at a cell phone range? Could be a 16-mile walkout, place I was at in Canada, and I'm going back there in the fall. So I was thinking there, what could I do to increase my odds of getting out? So number one, I carry a shovel. Shovel, basic implement, very useful for a lot of different things. I didn't sharpen the edges like these people who are afraid they're going to be attacked and the shovel's going to be their defense. So it's a shovel. It also includes a saw that you can turn around and put in here. Saw is about 8 inches. I might be able to hack a 4-inch branch. And it came with it, so I'm taking it with me. So a shovel is a good thing. You have to dig out your tires. Traction mats. Traction mats get really good reviews on eBay, on Amazon, and they are plastic nubs. The other side has spikes, and they can pull you out of a tough situation: sand, snow, mud, and they can help. So that's the second thing. Very easy to carry, very inexpensive. Tow strap. This is a 20,000-pound tow strap. It's 20 feet long. It can help, if you have a car, to help you get out. It can help pull you out. So it's a good thing to have also. Lastly, I don't want to have a winch. So the poor man's winch is a block and tackle. Now don't laugh at that. Block and tackles have been in use since, you know, the 1700s, 1600s. Even the Egyptians were using block and tackles. So with this, you can pull yourself out if you're alone. It's a multiplier of your effort. You can find out more on block and tackles. All this is fairly small, fairly lightweight, easy to use. Lastly, a small axe in case I have to cut some branches out of the way to use my block and tackle to move that big tree that fell in my way and keep me from getting away. So got to get back to my yoga. And I'm leaving the Ananda Ashram in Monroe, New York, and I'm heading out. We had rain overnight. Take a bunch of heavy contractor bags, those big heavy-duty plastic bags, and I keep several on board in the trailer. I recommend them, you know, if you have to pack up wet gear, just throw them in the bag and dry it out later. I didn't have to do that today. It didn't rain too hard, but just a thought to keep in mind. Contractor bags are a good thing when packing up in the rain if you want to make a quick getaway.